Okay guys, I guess we're getting ready for Christmas. Supposed to get a pile of snow tonight. I'm just outside. Yeah, just outside trying to get the truck ready. There it is. Oh, look at the carpet. She's blown away. Put on top there. Pulled the car out of the direction and brought the truck over here. Put the charger on it. Put the charger on it just to make sure we got a little extra charge in there. Oh yeah. Put some air in that tire. Check the lights. Yeah. He's trying to get that snowblower working, but it won't work. Got this plow on there too. There we go. Took the snowblowers out. Anyway, we're getting ready for it. Supposed to come. Plowed a little bit. Our boys there plowing with the little van. Oh, close the doors. Close the doors. It's cold out. See, that van was just it plows pretty deep snow. I plowed with that van for a long time. I put a plow on there. I got another plow out front. We're gonna see. Let's watch them plow. Let's watch him plow. Look at him go. Woo! Here he comes. He gonna run me over? No, you're not gonna run me over today? All right, here. Whoa! Storm. Woo, doggy. Oh! Oh no! Spinning a bit. There he goes. Good. Oh, he's going in the ditch. Oh, stuck. See, the ground's kind of soft. Better back up. There he goes. Hey, just turned 14 today. He was plowing for years already. Hey. You gotta put the plow down, huh? Plow down. Amazing what a couple of pieces of wood and a plastic drum will do, eh? Likes my old van. The transmission computer's gone, but he's got second gear and reverse, so he's good. Down. Yeah, look, clears right to the grass. Well, I gotta get out of the storm here. Oh, Oh, stuck. He's stuck. Gotta go forward. Ooh. There we go. Put her down. There you go. Makes big piles too, eh? Look at that. I used it for years. Yeah. Anyway, enough. Yep. Well, it's interesting. What we have to do to get by in this life. It's you know, it's life. You know, and I watch lots of these near death or after death experiences. There. Okay, 2030 will be the last. Okay, 15-year-old girl died. And Jesus showed her 3 events coming before 2030. Hey, that looks like a good one to watch. Anyway, we got to do lots of things in this life to get by. And if this world ends, well, it ends. And I actually believe something's going to happen soon. I mean, they're putting up so many balloons, 16 to 1,800 balloons a day, worldwide. I say worldwide, not world round. Okay, get that. We'll get that picture right now. So, anyway, you take care, and I'm gonna watch this video there, that one, and maybe I'll make some comments on it. Have a good day, and make your life as good as you can. And we're approaching the ends of our life. No matter which way we look at it, we're getting old, and it doesn't matter if we're old or young. Babies die, young people die, and we're granted life. I mean, but I believe we go on. We go on forever, and there will be a new life, possibly. Like they talk about, people have returned many times, and they say it's by choice. Nobody's forced to come to this earth, and we don't know how long we're going to be here. So have a good day, guys, and then enjoy your day.